I ain't never seen nobody do it like her. Radiant, look too long, she'll make your eyes hurt. Yeah. Shawty OD fire, come correct, you might burn. And I knew from the start that I was gonna like her. See, Shawty the coolest, chatting on the reg, yeah, Shawty the truest. Natural beauty, yeah, Shawty a tulip. Intelligent, not elegant, see, Shawty a student. Dang girl, you a dime, I'm just deep.
I want to start including like our weekend stuff because during the week we really don't do much. I mean, if we do anything during the week, then maybe we'll like, come on, jump. Then maybe we'll record it. But for the most part, it's just the weekend that we do stuff. And then me and Brian have like so much going on. We have like bachelorette parties, weddings. We're going to Mexico for a wedding. Yeah, we just have like so much coming up, so I'm excited to record all that and have them as memories and stuff. We actually met someone yesterday at Dave & Buster's. It was really cool. He like comes up to me like right behind me. He's like, do you do YouTube? And I'm like, I thought that they were gonna yell at me because a lot of the times when we're like at places, like public places, they tell us we can't record. So I thought he was gonna tell us, okay, you can't record, but it was actually just a waiter at Dave & Buster's. I didn't get his name, but I know he did follow Brian on Instagram, so I'll like add his name right here. Yeah, he was super dope, super cool. I'm excited to check out his channel. Brian's like been up for like 6 hours, probably trained 12 people, probably worked out himself. And here I am on the couch. Actually, I should probably start getting ready for my friend who's coming over. I'm gonna do her hair and makeup. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so generally when I have clients, I turn on Pandora out here, just so there's like some background music. And it's so crazy because I turned on Pandora and I was like, let me listen to the Drake radio because I want to see if I could hear the new song. Literally, I turn on the Drake radio and that's the first song that comes on. It's called Nice for What. Me and Brian actually heard it yesterday in the car on the way home from Dave & Buster's, and I thought it was a pretty cool song, so I'm excited to hear it again. I feel like the first time I hear a song, I don't always like it. And if I do like it, then that means like it's a pretty good song and I'm gonna really enjoy it. But like if I hear it a few times and I'm like, oh, it's okay, like eventually I'll end up fucking learning the words and singing along to it or whatever. But I actually really liked it when I heard it at first. I'm excited. There's like a lot of new music coming out. That's definitely more like Brian's flow of things, but generally we listen to like some new stuff on the radio. New stuff in the car. Not on the radio. Like the radio fucking sucks. But like new stuff in the car. Brian always like plays it on his oh my gosh. He never plays it in his car. But I was talking about how like Brian's been doing all this stuff today. Brian fucking taught a swing class today. Like he's done all this shit and I'm sitting here on my butt. Awful. I did make breakfast and I did clean up a little bit because it was a hot mess. Alright, my friend's here. Gotta go. Welcome Brian back home.
Hey. And it's so long. Man, girl, the pipes up.
What's going on with your jacket right there?
Oh, this is ruffled up.
Where are you going?
To pee.
Oh.
I'll show you how to
We're gonna have some cauliflower pizza for lunch. It is delicious. If you guys are ever in Trader Joe's, pick this little guy up. Having a little snack.
Yeah, I have my shit crackers. And,
Your shit crackers.
Yeah.
And making a mess. Typical Brian.
Oh, fuck me. Avocado toast. If you having the shit smeared on perfectly.
Because you need a fork, not a knife.
Alright.
Floor. Fergie doesn't like avocado. So Brian said his spin class was popping.
That shit was late. I threw a new Drake song on. They wasn't even ready for it. And it's so long since the beat dropped. I had to run it back. I'm not even gonna lie.
Did you really run it back?
Yeah,
oh my god, Brian. You're not in a fucking club, bro.
I made a funny joke though.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, my yoga teacher's here. I'm like, yo, Bianca, just let me know my past life. Was I a DJ or not? And everybody started laughing.
Yeah, they're laughing at you, dumbass. Brian gets home and the first thing he does is eat.
I'm
The mangoes he ate. He got the shit crackers.
No problem, bro.
I'm making pizza.
hard out here for a pet, and I gotta leave for this photo shoot thing soon.
You said 3:30, right?
Oh, good.
Oh, you have to be there at 3:30. I'm going by dawn today.
I didn't tell him. I told Ken if he needs, because it's at 7, right? I told him to call me before, because I'll be home by then. I should be home by like 5:30. I'll help him set up.
I think that's why Dawn told me to go early, because she was going to go set up.
I just offered, because I know sometimes I do want to ask, like.
What do you say?
He said he'll text me. So, trying to carry a table, and then you got like a bag right here.
What is this outfit you got going on? He has a shirt, a tank top, and tights on. Just wondering.
This is called.
You're looking very young thuggish. Young Thug's the one that wears the dresses, right?
Yeah.
You're looking very young thuggish.
Dancing in the lifestyle.
Wow, you sound just like him.
Okay. My ears just popped. But rushed out of Zing, had to go straight into a client, so just threw a shirt on real quick. And then I ended up training the rest of my clients. So.
You got a skirt on.
Hey.
Why does it keep getting so dark?
Trying new stuff fashion wise. I could buy designer, but just fashion over fit right. Probably me.
No.
Nobody ever believes me and Jasmine when we tell them that we do so much stuff on the weekends. So already, I'm training clients, taught a spin class, Jasmine's had clients. Now I'm getting ready to head to a photo shoot for one of my clients that she wants to do for her birthday. Then as soon as I get home from that, we're going to a birthday party. Always on the go, always. I'm actually a little excited for this birthday party though, because it's gonna be pretty cool. This guy, he does this dance class, like this hip hop dance class. So it's gonna be funny to see if Jasmine can be better than me or not, because she always makes fun of me for stuff. So we'll see what happens.
Fit by B-Rod.
That's it, yo. I'm ready for a workout. I'm ready for the club. I'm ready for
whatever you doing. Whatever you doing, yo. Upstairs, chilling, chill mode. Downstairs, ready to one-on-one.
Exactly. Who want what? I slammed dunk on your mother.
Straight swole.
Chop. Came through dripping. Drip. Came through dripping. Drip. Came through dripping. Drip.
Oh, yes, I see that.
Drip. Came through dripping. Drip.
Up your nose, drip.
Drip.
Oh,
It's alright.
what's up, y'all? We're gonna go work out.
Hey, so we're dedicating today's episode to a very special person in our lives. We're doing this tonight for little Saint. Yo, come on, y'all didn't see.
Oh, fuck, I pressed the wrong number.
Oh, come on, babe.
I'm sorry.
You gonna take your car?
No.
Oh, okay. Alright, so we're dedicating this episode to little Saint, because you got served. Let me see your best you got served from the bed.
Not in the elevator. I'm not trying to die.
Touch.
Ryan!
Okay.
I don't like that.
Okay. Go.
Go. I pressed 2 by accident.
Dumb. Guess what? Came through dripping.
I'm like Big Pop mixed with Tupac. I'm like Machiavelli, pizza, little Caesar pizza. I be hot and ready, nigga. You a
We're off to see the wizard.
The wonderful wizard. Oh, fuck.
What?
I forgot my shoes.
Oh, you scared me. You see how rude he is to me, guys? This diva has to have 2 shoes.
Yo.
One's to wear to the club, and one's to dance in the club. You have a wedgie. Just kidding.
Yeah, you're gonna be on my YouTube channel. You look beautiful.
What am I supposed to do?
You don't have to do anything. I just was showing you off. Huh? I'm just recording.
She's videoing.
This is Melissa.
so funny.
Yeah, me and Jazz are like vloggers now. So everywhere we go, we just take our camera with us.
Jazz have that.
You never see our YouTube channel?
I saw one that you posted on Facebook.
Yeah, we do. So like, we try to do one every week.
Oh my god, it's
Yeah, nah.
I think it was the first.
The next one we're gonna do is gonna be really funny.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
You turn it off. Yeah, Alex, you're the worst cameraman.
1,000 retweets and I'm gonna release a video. All right, so what are we doing here?
So tonight we're gonna get into a nice Zumba class. Big Sue's, what's up?
Big Sue's.
Party time.
So she's gonna be leading the pack.
So who's this? Who is this right now?
This big guy Sue's.
What does she mean to you? What does she?
The godmother.
What does she mean to you?
Sue's like she's like half game. She like disowned us a little bit.
Wow. You disowned us?
I never disowned family. Don't listen to him.
I'm just playing. I love Sue.
I'll be in the back because I'm white.
Me too.
Alex is white too.
You have sneakers in the car? I have sneakers in the car. I'm like, God, yes.
Oh, really?
Nice to meet you.
I'm saying
Alex.
your sister.
Nice to meet you. Me too.
I like you. That's good.
Are you dancing too? Are you gonna dance for this?
Yes. You'll be in the front line. Front row.
It's going down.
Who else is in here? Right here. We got Jasmine here, the star.
Really looking forward to before you get the dress.
Yo, so I'm gonna spit a freestyle real quick.
Go ahead.
Yo, let me. Yo, give me a beat right now. Give me a beat.
Do it over here so I'll spit on the food, yo.
Yo, give me a beat about the freestyle.
So we got Alexandra.
Alexandra the dove.
The future nurse practitioner, trainer, vegan.
She got 3.
Vegan in the streets.
3 years. We're here for 3 years. We got 3 good years left.
3 years, 3 good years. We got Gerard.
Nas actually looks like a TV host.
Oh, yo.
He actually does.
felt good. I had a good time. I was sitting there doing my thing like,
How were you doing it?
I was like,